Yes, sir. That is your boy Colin back with another video, bruh. It is currently early in the morning. It is the Bape and Adidas pop-up shop today, bruh. So, I'm about to, vlog the little experience. I'm gonna get, these snippets here and there, show y'all what I cash out on. First, bruh, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel because we are about to start, doing some more shopping videos and stuff like that, vlogs, etc. But let me tell y'all what I'm trying to get. So off rip, bro, I'm trying to cop that Bape green hoodie, the Bape and Adidas green hoodie, and then I'm also trying to cop the Bape and Adidas green camo Ultra Boost. So those two is what, that's priority on my list. That's really why I'm going. Hopefully it should be a good day. Yo, we at the Bape pop-up shop now, bro. Look, so this is what the parking's looking like. I had just parked all the way down there. I'm late. My friend is already in line, so I gotta get a wristband again, like Nike sneakers, to get into this Bape pop-up shop, bro. I'm hoping I can get them Ultra Boost, but I'm late because I heard they only did first come, first serve, and thought it was a list, and my name was on the list supposedly. So we just gonna have to grab what we can get. Hopefully I can get a hoodie, something like that. Would prefer the Ultra Boost, but I'll take a hoodie or something like that. Do I order through you?
Yep. What's your name?
Can I get a...
What's your number?
151. Can I get the black jersey in a large?
Large?
Mm-hmm. And can I get the camo jersey in the extra large?
Which, the green?
Yeah, the green.
Extra large. You wanted the hoodie in large?
Yeah, I was about to say that. So the jersey too.
The jersey in large also?
Mm-hmm. And then can I get the black Ultra Boost in a 9.5? Do you guys have that?
Yep.
Can I get the Ultra green Ultra Boost in a 12?
Nope. All out.
Out of all the green ones? Dang, those are ones I wanted to wear. Can I get the... Thank you. Bruh, I finally got in this bitch.
Nigga, we made it.
Nigga, he said I could only get the, bro, they added all the green Ultra Boost. Yeah, what did you get?
Yeah, I got both pairs.
For real?
I got my number yet.
I'm sick. He told me they was out, bro.
But that was like 20 minutes ago, bro.
For real?
Yeah.
Nigga, well, these don't look like they out. Hold up.
Yeah,
we can touch these, or we can touch these. I was about to say, I don't know. These, bro, that's. I wanted these in the 12. What size is this? This is a 12. Bro, there. I'm about to ask this.
Nigga, ask. It don't hurt to ask.
I'm about to ask. Excuse me?
It's display.
I know. Is this display for sale? Because this is the size that I need.
Nah,
really?
Yeah, we ain't selling any displays.
Man.
What do you need? Like
size 12, yeah. All right, we about to check out what else they got in here. I guess this is the black section. Yo, I'm dark. Yo. So look, they got the black jersey. I'm getting this. This is hard. They got the Bape logo right there. That's fine. This is hard. Here go the hoodie. Bro, I guess I got this hoodie, but they didn't have no more of the green, and that's really what I wanted. It's another jersey over there. The hoodie again, I'm sick. I was thinking about getting these for my brothers because they play basketball, so I don't know. But, bro, if I need the green hoodie. Here go the black Ultra Boost. I got these. I'm trying to make sure y'all get like good lighting because it's kind of bad lighting in here. But if y'all can see, bro, the black Bape NMD Ultra Boost. So I'm waiting for my number to get called right now. Damn, I shouldn't be talking. I'm waiting for my number to get called. Oh yeah, there go the gloves. I got these too. I need these. I don't even play football, but I need these. This is hard. I don't know what they got playing out here, but this is fire. The whole room is a vibe. There go the green hoodie. This is what I wanted, bruh. So, bruh, this helmet is $600 retail, but the design on this bitch is crazy, bruh. Dang. That boy Armani, that nigga over here, what? Oh yeah, yes sir. Yes, what? How much did you get?
I got 2 hoodies and 2 shoes.
How much was it?
$1,089.
Nigga, I don't even know what my total had to be. Yeah, man, I got 2 shoes. That man did an in-store review. Nasta. Bro, I'm waiting in line to take this picture. I'm trying to take this right here. I need that Bape chain. I need to hold that ball. I need the helmet. Yo, I'm still waiting, bro. 151 is my number. I'm just waiting for it to be called. Oh, damn, bro, I got the Union Jordan 1s on. Hold up. I just want to double check. There's a black jersey on there, right?
Yep.
Yo. Yes, sir. Now, the problem is I hope they ain't towed my car because I parked all the way down the street like everybody else did. I bet good news, my car's still there. I still see it. We got the, you know, the shipment is in. We're about to go home, review all of it. I'm gonna show y'all what I copped, what sizes, all of that, how much I paid for those that care. They go Atlantic Station if you want a quick little view. But yeah, we about to head back to the cribbo. Oh, bro, we're at the crib, bro. Finally back. Now I'm about to, you know, go over the things that I copped at the social status. Bape x Adidas pop-up shop, bro. This pop-up shop, I'm gonna tell you off straight off rip. This is way better than Nike sneakers, bro. They did it way more organized. It wasn't people cutting, and I could have snitched, but I'm not a snitch. But it was some people cutting in line, and I wish I was one of those people, but I was trying to stand in place. I was like, they gonna kick him out. Ain't kick him out. Harrison Neville was there. He was actually there at the line. Let's get straight into this because I'm not about to sit here and talk. So this is how big the bag that I got. We're about to go through this stuff one by one. But they sold out in the green hoodie. The green camo hoodie. The one, that was really why I came over there. That's the whole reason, because I wanted that green camo hoodie. I wanted to actually wear that. So everything else I got, I'm probably just, you know, sell it to some friends, or if you guys want to buy any of this off me, just hit me on Instagram. You know, be PayPal ready. Bruh, this caution tape, bro. And they also had that helmet. I don't know if y'all saw, but that helmet, $600 retail. I was going to buy it because I heard it was, you know, reselling for $1,000. It was reselling for like $625. I was like, that's dead. First things first, I got this picture made when they're supposed to email me the picture. I didn't get the picture on my email, so I hope they're not capping, because I really wanted to take this, because all right, look, this picture looks like a dub, but the one I actually got made that I sent to my email is a different one. But I want to post that one on the gram, and I'm probably gonna hang this around. But you know, I got the Bape chain, I was holding the Bape football, had the Bape helmet, you know, the $600 helmet I was talking about. But yeah, so now onto the money maker. I did spend about $1,100 on all this stuff. So we're eating the dollar menu for the next year. First things first, I'm not about to unbox none of this because, you know, I want to keep all this DS. This is the Bape jersey, the green camo one. I got it in an XL. Retail was $200, bro. I'm telling y'all the size just in case you guys want to buy these off me. I'm gonna try and go through this pretty quickly. Next up, oh, the black Bape jersey. Wait, hold up, I got the receipt. $1,138. That's how much I spent. McDonald's, bro. You got the Bape black jersey in a size large. Retail $200. Also keeping the DS. I'm not about to unbox none of this. Besides the shoes, your boy did get the Ultra Boost. The gloves, the Bape gloves, bro. And I think this is a size. Can you believe they have sizes for gloves? A size large gloves. Green camo. You dig? Might play football. So $75 retail. Next up, we got the Bape black camo hoodie. I couldn't get, you know, the green one, so I got the black one because that was the only one they had left. Here we go, large. Oh, bro, I want this hoodie so bad. I hope you guys can tell like what the hoodie looks like in the clips I recorded before. There goes that. Next thing we got is the Bape tights, bro. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. Bape hoodie was $250 retail. Now I got Bape tights. These were also $70 retail. And they almost opened it right here, but you know, they got the green camo. Hey, this is if you really want to flex. The Bape tights, you would be flexing. And that's it clothes-wise. But now we got the Bape Ultra Boost. And I didn't even know the black pair is actually Atlanta exclusive. You couldn't have got them anywhere else. They told us that in the line. So the black pair is actually Atlanta exclusive. I got these in a size 9.5. Yeah. The Bape Ultra Boost, bro. Like, yeah, it was a day today. It sure was a day. Still want the NMDs to this day. The NMDs, bro, are so hard, but these are fire. These are hard. Put these up. So like I said, bro, if you want to buy any of this off me, hit me on Instagram. We can talk business. Blah, blah, blah. I can tell you prices. Oh, this retail was, should be on the receipt. This retail was $250. There you go. That's all I have for you guys today, bro. I mean, if you want to count this caution tape, that took me like 10 minutes to untie. That's in this video. Let me know if you enjoyed this vlog. I want to start doing, you know, more pop-up shops, more shopping vlogs with y'all. I'm just trying to get used to, you know, carrying a camera in public because I really make videos here. But yeah, so yeah, I don't have an outro, so